punches during the last 3 months.
Appreciate your grilling skills. Dad can use the voice.
We appreciate your dad bod.
Fix. Ah!
We appreciate your handy skills.
Hey Ben, I got an awesome joke. Okay? What did baby corn say to mama corn?
What?
Popcorn!
What do you call your dad if he falls through the ice? A popsicle. You get it?
That's my turn.
Mika,
Yes?
why did the baby strawberry cry?
I don't know.
Because his father was in the jam.
Okay.
Get it? The jam. Jam?
Hey, Peanut. I got a joke for you. What did the daddy tomato say to the baby tomato? Ketchup! How many tickles does it take to get an octopus to laugh? 10 tickles. You get it? 10 tickles.